Level 6, Unit 5, multiplication by 7 to 9. Unit 5.1, multiplication table of 7. If I have one group of 7, then I'm going to have 7 as an answer. If I have two groups of 7 that I am adding together, I'm going to have 14 as an answer. If I have three groups of 7, that's going to give me 21 as an answer. And again, you can see the pattern of increasing by 7 each time. Let's look at example A. I have 7 times 2. Two groups of 7 that I'm adding together gives me an answer of 14. Let's look at example B. 7 times what number equals 49? Again, you can keep counting by 7s until you've reached the number 49, or you can repeat your pattern 7, 14, 21 until you've reached 49. You'll eventually see that you have 7 groups of 7. Unit 5.2, multiplying by 7. Example A. I have 4 groups of 7 that I am multiplying together. So how much would I have after adding together 4 7s? You're going to have 28. Unit 5.3, multiplication table of 8. 8 times 1 means I have one group of 8 for an answer of 8. 8 times 2 means I have two groups of 8 for an answer of 16. 8 times 3 means I have 3 groups of 8 for an answer of 24. Also, don't forget that it is a pattern that we are forming. We are adding 8 to get from one number to the next. Let's look at example A. We have 8 times 3. If I were to use the pattern here and go from 8 to 16 to 24, the third number there is my answer that I have. Example B. 8 times what number equals 64? Again, we can use our patterns. 8, 16, 24, 32, and so forth. When you go up 8 spots, you're going to end up with your answer of 64. 5.4, multiplying by 8. 8 times 0. If I have 0 groups of 8, that means I'm going to have 0 as an answer. Anything times 0 is 0. Example B. 2 times 8. The 8 comes second, but I still have 2 groups of 8 that I'm adding together. That's going to give me an answer of 16. Unit 5.5. Reading and understanding multiplication tables of 9. We have 9 times 1 gives us an answer of 9. 2 groups of 9 gives us an answer of 18. 3 groups of 9 gives us an answer of 27. Again, we continue our pattern of adding 9. We will get the answers for each of the numbers. Let's look at example A. 9 times 7. I could sit here and add together 9 7 times. I could also use my pattern here, 9, 18, 27. Eventually, when you do that, you're going to get an answer of 63. Example B. 9 times what number equals 90? Using the same procedures, you're eventually going to get to an answer of 10.